Hello my dear friends, today I am going to explain you how to solve differential equation by using Laplace transformation. I mean application of the Laplace transformation. So here see that one. Before going to do my this lecture, completing this lecture, I am requesting to you please watch my YouTube channel where Laplace transformation is given. I discuss in that video, that recording video, how to find Laplace transformation, how to find Laplace inverse. On the basis of that one, if you see, if you watch that one, after that one you can understand very easily this topic. I mean application of Laplace transformation means how to solve differential equation, I mean ordinary differential equation, by using Laplace transformation. For that I am using few rules, that solution of differential equation by Laplace transformation, by using by Laplace few rules we want to check that one. Laplace transform of second derivative of y with respect to is s square y bar minus sy0 minus y dash 0. What is the y bar? Y bar is nothing but it's a Laplace transform of y. That means if I try to write Laplace transform of y, it will denoted as y bar. I am using that one. And Laplace transform of first derivative of y with respect to is sy bar minus y dash 0. On the basis of these two rules, one rule number 2, I try to solve few questions as example. So by taking the help from these two examples, you can try to solve the SCL activity. So now I am going to solve this one. Solve the differential equation by using Laplace transformation. dy dt plus 2y is equal to 12 e power 3t. Given that y0 is equal to 0, what you have to do? Write Laplace transformation both sides. I mean take Laplace transformation all steps, like Laplace transform of dy dt plus 2 times Laplace transform of y is equal to 12 times Laplace transform of e power 3t. Laplace transform of first derivative is sy bar minus y0 plus 2y bar equal to 12. Laplace transform of e power 3t is s minus 3. Remember that one. If here minus is given, then write here plus. I mean e power minus 3 means 1 divided by s plus 3. If here e power 5, then here write s minus 5. If here minus 5, then write here plus. This is that which I explained in my previous recorded lecture. Now what you have to do? Keep means use the condition given, y0 is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. So what is the remaining part? sy bar plus 2y bar equal to 12 divided by s minus 3. So what you have to do? Just take outside y bar. Y bar, when you keep outside, it comes s plus 2 equal to 12 divided by this one, or y bar is equal to 12 divided by s plus 2 into s minus 3. Now if I solve this one, that means if I solve this one, then we will get the answer of this. So how can I solve this one? Nothing. Y bar is equal to 12 divided by s plus 2 s minus 3. It means that one, this is y bar, and I explain you that Laplace transform of y is y bar. So if I write Laplace inverse of y bar, then I will get y equal to. So the same thing is here. Y bar is given, but I do not want y bar because of Laplace. Y bar means Laplace, but I need y. So what you have to do? Y is equal to, write the Laplace inverse of this full step. Laplace inverse of 12 divided by s plus 2 s minus 3. So what you have to do? Laplace inverse of 12 divided by s plus 2 s minus 3 I do not know. But if I keep this one, in a partial fraction form, then I can write the Laplace inverse very easily. So what you have to do? Now I am going to write what is the partial fraction of this part. What is partial fraction of this one? What is partial fraction of this part? So partial fraction of this part is, I am going to write separately. I write this one 12 divided by s plus 2 s minus 3. We can keep it like that one because of two brackets are there. So a divided by s plus 2 plus b divided by s minus 3. What you have to do? Keep s plus 2 s minus 3 down as LCM, and multiply this by this and this by this one, and cancel this one. So what is the remaining part after cancel? 12 is equal to this a times of s minus 3 plus b times of s plus 2. What you have to do, if you want to write the values of a and b, just nothing. What you have to do, replace s is equal to 3. When you replace s equal to 3, this becomes now 0. So 12 b times 3 means 5. So b is equal to 12 by 5. Now when you replace s is equal to minus 2, this cancel and this becomes a is equal to 12 divided by minus 5. What you have to do, write that 12 value of a and b. When I try to write value of a and b, when I try to write the values of a and b from this part and this part, I found that one 12 divided by s minus 3 minus 12 divided by s plus 2. Why I am writing minus first plus? Because of b value is positive. So 12 divided by s minus 3 plus b part is plus minus 12 divided by s plus 2. Now I can write this here like Laplace inverse of, I can write this step here like Laplace inverse of keeping outside 12 divided by 5, Laplace inverse of s minus 3 minus Laplace inverse of s plus 2. What is that one? 12 divided by 5 is outside. Laplace inverse of this one is e power 3 minus Laplace inverse of s plus 2 1 divided by is s e power minus 2. Remember that one. If here plus is given, then write here minus. If here minus is given, then write here plus. Similarly here minus is given, then write here plus. If plus is given, then write here minus. This is the answer of that question, which is nothing but it's a first order linear differential equation. Now I am going to tell you if the second order differential equation is given, how to solve this differential equation by using Laplace. d2i dt square minus y is equal to 2, y0 is equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to 0 is given. So what you have to do, again you need to write Laplace all terms. Laplace transform of d2i dt square minus Laplace transform of y is equal to Laplace transform of 2. Laplace transform of d2i dt square, I told you s square y bar minus s y0 minus y dash 0 minus Laplace transform of y is y bar equal to 2 Laplace transform of 1 is 1 divided by s. So just I am keeping that one. This is given 0, this is also given 0, so this becomes 0. What is the remaining part? S square y bar minus y bar is equal to 2 divided by s. What you have to do? Keep y bar outside, so it comes s square minus 1 equal to this part 2 divided by s. 2 divided by s. So what you have to do? Now y bar is equal to 2 divided by s square minus 1 and this one. So I do not need y bar, I need y. So what you have to do? Again write Laplace inverse. So y is equal to Laplace inverse of this part 2 divided by s square minus 1 into s. But again I do not know what is the Laplace inverse of this one. No problem. I am trying to put this part as in terms of fractional part, partial fraction part. 2 divided by s square minus 1. I am using factor of s square minus 1 is s plus 1 s minus 1. So a divided by s plus 1 plus b divided by s minus 1 plus c divided by. Now again I am using the simplified form. Write down term s into s square minus 1 and this multiply here. This cancel, so this and this multiply here and c square. Now this cancel, so it becomes now 2 times s into s minus 1 into a plus b times s into s plus 1 plus c times s square minus 1. Now again step by step write here s is equal to 1. When you replace s is equal to 1, this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So only b part is remaining. So 2 equal to 2 times 2b. So therefore b is equal to 1. B equal to, now if you replace s is equal to minus 1, because of previously I used s is equal to 1. So if you replace s is equal to minus 1, so now what becomes now 0? This becomes 0 and this becomes 0. Remember that one, because of this include also s plus 1 and s minus 1. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2 into a. So therefore a equal to, see that one, 2 into 2a is equal to, so a is equal to again 1. Now what you have to do? Put s is equal to 0 here. So when you replace s is equal to 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So 2 times, see that one here, s is equal to 0. So this becomes c into minus 1. So therefore c is equal to minus 2. So what you have to do? The partial fraction of 2 divided by s square minus 1 into s is a divided by this one plus b divided by this one plus c. Now replace the values of a, b, c. So a means here 1. So 1 divided by s plus 1 plus b means also 1. 1 divided by s minus 1 and c means minus 2. So 2 divided by this one. So therefore y is equal to Laplace inverse of the partial fraction of that part is 2 divided by partial fraction of this one is 1 divided by s plus 1, 1 divided by s minus 1, 2 divided by. So what you have to do? Separately Laplace, write Laplace inverse of this part plus Laplace inverse of this part minus Laplace inverse of this part. So again see that one, this is s plus 1, so e power minus t. In place of 2, 3, 4, 5 minus t. And here s minus 1, so write here plus minus 2 Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1. So this one. So therefore simplify, y is equal to e power minus t plus e power t minus 2. This is the answer of that question which is given in the second order form. Hopefully you people understand.